Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. But overnight the markets still don't let up on terms of the volatility that we continue to witness with the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, peaked at 114.71, a fresh 20-year high, and then plummeted back to 112.60 and closed there in New York. Ended up posting an engulfing candle. Now, as you will see right through the charts here, there were many engulfing candles posted. So let's see how they all present themselves in terms of whether or not we can get a correction in the bullishness of the market and a bearishness of the US dollar. Firstly, the dollar index, as I mentioned, closed at 112.60, now has to take out the level of 111.85 to support the bearish candle and therefore could see further risk down to 109. This viewing the Australian dollar at present looks towards the top side at 65.65. A clearance of there would give further indication to the bullish case and look towards a potential target of 66.60.85. Until we get that confirmation, the market is still holding to a somewhat negative outlook as the ADX is still trending to a bearish case, and also the RSI has not broken through the midway point. So it's only the candle that supports a bullish or positive signal at this stage and awaits confirmation. Looking at the euro, you can see the market has rejected that bottom side anywhere from around 95 figure 30, and from there has posted an engulfing candle that also awaits confirmation. As you can see, the market, no doubt, a close of above, that is, of 97.65 in New York would present a further bullish case for the euro and look up towards 98.65 to 99.45. But like all the Australian dollar, you can see the technicals are not overly confident in terms of how this candle presents itself. But we do need confirmation, as I mentioned, to get the confirmed rally, that is, from the break, and therefore look towards that topside region. Until then, we're still vulnerable to the downside until the signals have been confirmed. The dollar yen, well, the market still looks a little bit apprehensive, and it looks towards that cap around 145.20.60. And last time the market looked above there, the Bank of Japan intervened. So no doubt the bulls are a little bit hesitant in case we see this pattern repeat itself. The whipsaw price action for sterling this week continues with an engulfing candle posted. Now waits for confirmation, and that is above 109.40.45. This would give further indication that the market has climbed out of its bearish pit and therefore looks towards the target of around 110.5 to maybe 112. However, like the Aussie and also for the euro, technicals are not supporting this candle, with the ADX also supporting a bear case. But the break above 109.40.45 would give further indication and support for the bullish case to recapture or reinstate to a potential climb. A very strong rebound for gold as the market briefly looks at the lows around 1,613, surged to the highs where we currently are around 1,656. Looking at the technicals, the market is a little bit more in terms of the positive side with the RSI broken through the midway point. However, confirming the candle, we do need to see a break and close above 1,664 in New York to support the case up towards 1,670 to 1,686 to 88. Until then, wait for the confirmation before the bullish call, as we could easily pull back towards that bottom side. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market has found renewed momentum as it breaks higher and now looks towards 81.47.70 as a potential target. We would need to see a break above there to give further guidance towards 83 to potentially $86 a barrel. Technically, the market has improved slightly from the candle from the overnight, and nevertheless, we still like to see that break of 81.45.70. That is to support the bullish case further towards those topside targets mentioned. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to the day.